Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled pickles. First, select crisp, small cucumbers, preferably pickling varieties for the best texture. Thoroughly wash your cucumbers and trim the ends. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids in boiling water to ensure food safety. This crucial step prevents spoilage and creates a proper seal for long-term storage. Gather your pickling spices, vinegar, and salt. Now let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine equal parts water and vinegar, along with pickling salt and a touch of sugar. This balance is key for taste and preservation. Add your favorite spices like fresh dill, garlic cloves, and mustard seeds directly to the brine. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes to infuse the flavors. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Carefully arrange the cucumbers vertically into the hot, sterilized jars, ensuring a snug fit. You can also add extra fresh dill or garlic directly into each jar. Pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, leaving a 0.5-inch headspace at the top. Remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims clean and then secure the lids and bands. For long-term storage, process your sealed jars in a boiling water bath canner for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your altitude and jar size. This step creates a vacuum seal. Carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed for 24 hours. Check that each lid has sealed properly. Store your delicious homemade pickled pickles in a cool, dark pantry for several weeks before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.